Hey folks, how's it going? Robert here. Just out doing some fishing on mini bike. Got some fish there. The old camp's in spectacular shape. The bugs ain't too bad yet either. She's doing well. The CB on, but I don't hear nobody. A little bit of skip. Check it out, brother. I even got a fan. It's working pretty good. Oh, let me light my lighter. Oh, I love my $4 Alvin Chipmunk fishing rod and my mini bike. I must have caught 20 trout up and down there. There was so many, almost every third cast was a bite. It's a wicked amount of fish. And every little feeder hole, like that one over there, every little hole that's off to the side is just full of fish. Mini bike is performing good. Thing's a tank. I like that it carries my pack.